Okay. Alright, I think we're ready for the monster hunt. We got laser light, flashlight, let's see, and our hands. Okay, we ready for this thing? Okay, first, shut that. That wasn't Megan Fox.
We have no more light.
Okay,
There's no light.
okay, come on. Look.
Okay, good.
Okay, come on.
Go.
Right. Get back. Get back. Slowly. Slowly. Go. Just go in the back. Go. Shut the door. Shut it. Shut it. No, it's fake. Shut it. Shut the door. Joel. Shut the door.
I can't shut it. Okay. We got light.
Oh my god.
Because I can't see you pointed at your face.
Oh my god. I don't know what the hell that.
I'll hold the light for now.
Okay. I don't know what the bell that was, but.
Keep going. Okay. What are you doing?
Well, goodbye, world.